Do you have any regrets, like any paths you wish you had taken?
Regret. Yeah, maybe I'd just say not finishing tertiary. Yeah, not finishing tertiary.
You didn't finish?
Yeah,
Why?
yeah, because I had to make a decision. It's either I was going to shoot Zotzi or I would stay, go TUT, go drama as campus.
Fuck that.
So
School or Tsotsi? I'm going to Tsotsi, bro.
When I asked my mom, she gave me a permission to follow my dream.
Yeah.
Which, yeah.
No, I think you made the right choice, man. Fuck school, man. Who cares about
school? School is important.
Fuck it.
Especially now when your kids start growing. You can't tell them that you can survive without school.
I will homeschool them.
You want them to be, outside the academy and then Babe Monati.
Wow, that's crazy to think that if your mom said no, you are not going to shoot Tsotsi.
Yes.
Damn. And when you win the Oscar, she's like, I'm glad you did.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
That's crazy. Shit, that's crazy, man. I never knew that. Let's talk about your family, man, because I know you love your family. When do you meet your wife?
At home when I knock off.
Yeah.
Now, but you mean when did I meet?
Yes.
Oh,
at home when I knock off.
Oh, okay. When do you meet your wife?